Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. As I told in my previous video, we have to continue the pipe sizing for this ground floor another toilet. So before I start in this video, I would like to request you guys please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Also please like and share my video, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So let us start now. As you can see here, we have done the pipe size for this toilet, and now we have to start for this another toilet. So simply now this time we will use this table only just to save the time. Okay, so this table is also taken from this IPC International Plumbing Code. Okay, so simple write it here. We will copy this ellipse from here. Okay, and place it here. Here, take the line command. Okay, and simple copy this, text, or if you write simple pipe dia, so it's enough. Simple write, do not no need to write. If you not write this fixture unit is enough in the drawing. Okay, in the table you need to write, because it's required just to know from where for how much fixture unit you have taken this pipe size. Okay, so we have to write simple pipe dia here, and now this time we have to write in mm. Okay, so write it like this. DWS is nothing but the domestic water supply, and diameter is how much GPM we have to check first. So check the fixture unit. So 3 lavatories here, 1 sink, 4 WC, 4 hand spray. So use this table to calculate the fixture unit. Okay, so water closet is 4, and spray here is 5. This is the fixture unit here, quantity. So 4 hand spray is 4, and lavatory is 3, and kitchen sink is 1. Okay, lavatory is 3 here, and kitchen sink is 1. So for the kitchen sink you have to check this, use this table, kitchen sink private. Okay, 1 fixture unit. So use this 1 fixture unit. So total fixture unit is 31.5. Using this table, here is the fixture unit. So 31.5 is where? 31.5 is approximate 30. So this is the near to 30, and this is the GPM 23.3, and pipe size is 48 mm, is nothing but the 50 mm, 2 inch. So here is the 2 inch. Okay, similarly you have to copy this. Just to save the time, I am using that table, is also taken from the IPC. So here is your simple subtract these 2 fixture units. So simple delete this. Where is the laboratory? Is here 3. Simple delete this. So 27 fixture units. So using this using this table, 27 fixture unit is nothing but the 25, 27, 20. Take that 30. Okay, so for the 30, 48 again. So again 2 inch, the same. Okay, then what will be the pipe size here? So simple copy this and rotate, select this one and rotate this, move it up, take one line like this. Okay, here simple copy this, place it here, use move command, move like this. Okay, So this is 3 laboratories only, so simple or use this table only. So 3 fixture unit, laboratory is how much? 3. So this is the laboratory. Where is laboratory? 1.5 into 3, 4.5. So 4.5 fixture unit. So 4.5 is nothing but here 5. GPM is 9.4 and pipe size is 31 mm. So you will write 30 mm. Here pipe size is 30 mm. I will write it here in mm. 30 mm. Okay. And this is 50 mm. All I will write in mm now. 50 mm. Move this little bit this side. Also move this one. Okay. So what will be the pipe size here? So simply copy this. Here is one hand spray and one WC. So check this. One hand spray, one WC is 1, hand spray is 1. No kitchen sink, so 6.5. So for the 6.5, here is the 6, 7, 11.8 GPM and pipe size is 34 mm. So generally 34 mm pipe is not available, so we will go for the higher one, 40 mm is available. Okay, so write the standard pipe size because the standard pipe size is available in the market. Okay, so for the this kitchen sink, what will be the GPM and what will be the fixture unit? So for the kitchen sink fixture unit is, you need to check this table. Okay, so where is the kitchen sink? Here, private, one fixture unit. So for the one fixture unit you need to check here 3 GPM and pipe size is 17 mm pipe size is not available, so we will consider 20 mm. Okay, so here your pipe size will be 20 mm. Similarly you have to calculate for this for all the branches. Okay, I will write one more here. I think you guys learn the concept how to design the, how to write the pipe size. I will write it here. Okay, so here 2 hand spray and 2 WC. So check the 2 hand spray, simple enter here 2 hand spray 2 WC. GPM is total fixture unit is 13 and GPM is 11.8. In now 11.8 is check this fixture unit, the GPM. Okay, so simple use this table. For the 13 fixture unit is here and GPM is 16.5 and pipe size is 40 mm. So here is the same. So here your pipe size is 40 mm only. Similarly you have to write the pipe size here, so simply copy this, place it here. So here 3 WC and 3 hand spray. No, 4 WC here, 4 hand spray, 1 2 3 4 and 3 WC. So WC is 3 and hand spray is 4. GPM fixture unit is 21. So for 21 fixture unit, 19.6 GPM and pipe size is 44. So 44 is not available, so you have to consider the 50 mm. It's nothing but the 2 inch. Here your pipe size will be 2 inch. Similarly you have to calculate for the each branch. I think you guys learn the concept how to calculate the pipe size for this each fixture unit as per the fixture unit. So I think you guys learn something from this video. So I would like to request once again you guys please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.